Hi, this is how you install the Perma-Child Safety Ultimate Retractable Baby Gate.
To successfully install your gate, you'll need a power drill, a 2mm or 5mm drill bit, Phillips head bit, or a screwdriver. Pick your installation area. Will you be installing into drywall or plasterboard, wood, brick, or concrete? Check if your wall has skirting or baseboards. If it does, spacers will be required to help correct for the offset. Only use spacers at the top of the gate for the upper gate mount and upper catch mount. Top of stairs. If safety barrier is used at top of stairs, it should not be positioned below the top level. Middle of stairs. Do not mount anywhere other than the top level or lowest tread. Bottom of stairs. If safety barrier is used at the bottom of the stairs, it should be positioned at the front of the lowest tread. There are two included templates, one for the gate and the other for the catch mounts. Choose which side you want your gate to extend from. You'll need the gate mount template for this side. Using masking tape to help hold the guide in place, flatten it against the wall with the bottom flush with the floor and mark the screw hole positions. Repeat the same steps for the catch mount template. Once holes are marked, remove templates. Pre-drill all marked holes. Screw in upper and lower gate mounts in their marked positions. Screw in upper and lower catch mount. Slide gate straight down over the mounts and it will lock in place with a click. To remove gates from the mount, push and hold the release button while sliding the gate upwards. Always return the button to lock position after each use and before tensioning. Push and twist knob to align with the dot icon, then release. Pull handle in one fluid movement as stopping will engage lock. Twist knob to align with the unlocked icon. This will unlock the gate to freely open and close. Pull the handle until the pin is aligned and resting on the top catch. Align with the bottom catch and press the button on top of the handle to engage both catches and release. Press and hold button. Lift handle to release. Ensure gate is in locked position, then use the cog to tighten the mesh.